told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hello, welcome to another vlog. Guys, today I'm going to the supermarket. I want to do some shopping, like get some stuff for the house because I'm almost run out of everything I have in this house and I don't want hunger to kill me. Yes, because I don't want my neck to grow thinner or to go more slimmer than this. So I'm going to do shopping, like just all those things now, you know what I mean. And I'll be going with my friend. She already called me that she's ready and she's waiting for me. So I'll just go to my friend's place, meet up with her, and from there we'll go to the supermarket and get everything that we need to get. And I'll be carrying you guys along with me. So let's get right into it.
Guys, I'm the one behind the video recording and all that. Those are trying to go. Yes, I have. Are you sure? Yes, this one I use. Yes, because it was different. But with no other.
Guys, you won't believe it. I don't know how I made a mistake to pick two of this. I actually picked two of this. I don't know. I was going to compare the price of the big one and the small one and decide if I want to go the big one or the small one. But my friend was there, Lulu was there, like when they were packing it, and I had to go and change some things. And before I got back, I forgot, and before I know it, I got two. I ended up with two of them. Hi, Jesus.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to the market. I don't like going to the market because of the old stress. The fact that you'll be going on your whole jeje and some people will be dragging you. I really don't like it. It's always so stressful, but I don't have a choice, so I have to go. So my friend's wedding is coming up, like it's around the corner, and I want to make my house fit myself. This is the list right here. This is the list right here. I want to make that for myself. I have to get to the market and just get some materials like accessories like zip, lining, and some little materials to add to it. So I decided to carry this big bag. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's actually, what is this? You know, I did not notice this is what is I have in front of this bag. Just now, what is this? Jiho Haiti. Yes, greatest of all time. No goats. And this bag I'm carrying. I hope it doesn't look weird, but I'll just carry it like that. Market run. So
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Inside my video. Hey, hello guys. So I'm going out right now. I want to pick up my outfit for bridesmaids. My friend's wedding is coming up. I'm part of the bridesmaids, so I want to pick up my clothes up. I don't know if I'll be picking it up today, but I was asked to come in for fitting. I'm hoping there's not going to be any much adjustment. If it's just a little adjustment, I might just fix it myself. I don't think there's any need to just drop it there if it's not too much. If it's not too much, but if it's something that's so like very much, I'll just allow them to eat. So I'm just going to do my fittings and come back home. I have some things I need to do today too, but let me just get this done first and see you guys later.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Hey guys, welcome. Good afternoon, very good afternoon. I'm about to step out. I want to get to the bank, Providence Bank. I misplaced my ATM card and I want to get another one because I actually need that exact Providence Bank for something. I need it, so I need to get to the bank like right now. I really don't like going to the bank, but I don't have a choice. I just have to go. So I'll just pick up the card and come back home, I think. But I don't know. I want to brunch at my friend's place. I don't know yet if there's going to be enough time for me to check to just brunch somewhere else, but let's just see how it goes. I'm on my way out right now, already dressed up. I'm wearing this shirt on this one, not something serious, just casual, like we have to keep it low. So let me just step out. See you guys later.
Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way,
Meet my lecturer or teacher.
Me? I'm not teaching something with young education.
When you are lecturing me now, you are teaching me how to
I'm adjusting,
So this is-
I'm adjusting your skills.
Are we done?
Yeah, that's the going.
Thank God.
So, you need 30 stick drawings.
Assessment
Yeah, 30, I'm going 30.
30.
Yeah, I'm going to send you what you're going to do.
You send me the stick drawing to
Or
go
you
to
try
30.
to get, can you get somebody to post for you?
Can't I get online?
It will be better if you are using live model.
But the one you not say you want to send to me for.
That is if you don't have a model to post for you.
I'll get somebody, but I'm not sure the person wants to do 30 posts.
So, okay, this is what we do. You are doing like, I'll send you some pictures, maybe 20 posts, then you ask me to post for you 10 posts.
Okay, that's good.
So can you use two different people, maybe even one person cannot wait for 10 posts,
Okay, yeah.
that kind of stuff.
Thank
And your
you.
brother is not around.
Eh?
And your brother is not around.
Yes, it's you make my stand.